Hello and welcome back for another Gala Games prize prediction update, and in this video I'll be diving deep into the technical analysis and also give you my next prize targets here on the Gala Games chart. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And allow me to first give you a recap of what has been happening here on the Gala Games chart, where you can see that on the 10th of June, we saw this massive breakdown to the lower side, giving us a low at around the $0.018 mark. And afterwards, we have been trying to recover to the upside. And in these bounce, I've been trying to track a 5-wave structure here on the chart, where I'm terming this as the first wave to the upside. Then we saw this breakdown to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2. Minimum target areas for that second wave highlighted on the charts using this red target area that I came up with by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, giving me a minimum target between the Fib level 0.382 and the Fib level 0.618. And you can see that here in this breakdown, we managed to get into the area between the Fib level 0.5 and the Fib level 0.382. And then we started this reaction to the upside in what could be the start of an impulsive wave in the formation of this wave 3, and giving you minimum target areas in that wave 3, assuming that Gala Games is not going to give us one more leg down in the formation of this wave 2, by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. That now gives me a minimum target area at the Fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.02879 mark. And that is the minimum that I can expect Gala Games to do in the formation of that wave 3. And I think we are seeing some good signs that that move will finally play out, since you can see that in this Elliot wave structure, Gala Games is holding above the wave 1 high, and that is a sign that we have some impulsiveness in this move to the upside, and this could be a possible wave 3 to the upside. And if this continues, we also manage to break above the 20-day MAs, both on the 1-hour chart and also on the 4-hour chart, then there are high chances that Gala Games is going to get above the $0.025 mark, and then at some point we are also going to break through our next key area of resistance at around the $0.02616 mark, and a break above that we can watch out for a successful retest before we can fully maximize our target area at around the $0.02884 mark. That is what I'm expecting here on the Gala Games chart. We also need to have a breakdown move in mind in case things don't follow the Elliot wave structure that I have on the charts. And if that plays out and we continue seeing further breakdown, then we can expect Gala Games to first find support within this red target area that I have on the charts, which lies between the $0.02105 mark and the $0.02 mark, which is the area on the Fibonacci's between the Fib level 0.5 and the Fib level 0.382. Within that area, we can expect a reaction of those areas on the Fibonacci's and maybe get a bounce back to the upside. And on the worst case scenario, in case we also lose the Fib level 0.78, then we can then expect a reset of the low that we made on the 10th of June. And that is what we can expect on the worst case scenario here on the Gala Games chart. Jumping to the 4-hour chart for further analysis and to give you my long-term point of view on the Gala Games chart, you can see that after seeing our December lows, we saw a 5-wave move to the upside, having the wave 5 giving us a high at around the $0.063 mark, completing the formation of this larger Elliot wave count 1. Then we started breaking down in these larger Elliot wave count 2. Minimum target areas highlighted on the charts using this blue target area, which is an area that we fully maximized. And if I use the Fibonacci's here on the charts, drawing them from the December lows, to that high in that first wave, you can see that at some point Gala Games lost the fib level 0.78, and as a result of that breakdown to the lower side, I started to have challenges with this ED12 structure that I have right here. And since we are still holding above the fib level 0.88, I still have the benefit of doubt that Gala Games is going to still give us another massive pump in the formation of this wave 3, and a break below the fib level 0.88 now gives us the chance of Gala Games giving us a reset of the December lows, and maybe also putting in place new bear market lows. That is another move that we also need to have in mind. And in case Gala Games is able to continue gearing up and give us a 5 wave move on the charts, followed by an ABC corrective structure, then that would be a good sign that the low is in that wave 2, and that we have started an impulsive wave in the formation of this wave 3. So that is what I'm expecting on the Gala Games chart. On the indicators, we are trading at around the 59 mark on the RSI. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, a bearish cross, suggesting further breakdown. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.